Hello my 3D printing and gaming peeps. I'm here with the Nintendo Switch OLED edition and the Nintendo Switch 2. And today I'm going to show you how you can 3D print your own controller protector for the Joy-Con and the Pro controller in about 20 minutes. We are going to do this in Creality Print 6, Bamboo Studio, a Bamboo X1C, and a Creality K2+. We are going to use Creality Hyper Filament and Creality Solean Filament. Let's get started. Here I am on printables. The user is Lich Jagger, and I'm going to go ahead and download the Pro Controller, Joy-Con, and Joy-Con 2 stick lock protector. I'm going to open a new project in Bamboo Studio and a new project in Creality Print 6. I will use a K2+ and an A1. We will drag the 3 STL files onto the bed. These are not 3MF files. We will need to configure them ourselves. Dragging them in to Creality Print 6, just say no if it asks about a single object with multiple parts. Go ahead and press Auto Arrange on both Bamboo Studio and Creality Print 6. These are designed to sit flat on the bed and require no supports. I'm going to go ahead and slow the speed way down, especially for the initial layer and initial layer infill. I'm going to do the same for the rest of the higher speed numbers also. No, I'm not using any special equation. I'm just guessing based on experience. I know these are easy speeds for these printers to handle. For strength, I'm going to do 3 walls, click Detect Thin Walls, and I'm going to use gyroid infill at 20%. I will pop over to Creality Print 6 and we'll do the same. Click on Strength, 3 walls, 20% infill, gyroid. I will do speed, same thing, first layer and first layer infill, nice and slow just to be safe. And I will slow these speeds down, even though the K2+ can quite easily handle this. No support, no brim, no raft, no brim, and send it off to the A1 and send it off to the K2+. Here in front of me, I've placed the stick protectors for each controller. The Switch 2, the Switch 1, and the Switch Pro. Let's check them out. Here is the Switch 2 Joy-Con, and here is the stick protector we just printed with the little nub facing up. Simply slide the protector under the controller and your stick can no longer move or be damaged. Moving over to the OG Switch, this is the OLED version. Here is the X1C version. And here is the K2+ version. Both of these keep the Joy-Con stick stationary. And here is the limited edition Splatoon 3 Pro Controller. This is the protector printed on the Bamboo Lab A1. Again, with the nub facing up, I simply slide it under the controller. This is the controller protector printed on the K2+. It too slides nicely under the controller and protects them from moving or breaking. And there they are. Nintendo Switch and Switch 2 controller protectors printed by you. I'm Mr. Greg, Player 13, and of course, I voted to continue the game. And you're on 3D Rundown.